What's the meaning of centrally? Centrally. Centrally.
Centrally. Centrally. Centrally refers to something that is located in or around the center of a particular area or system. This term can be used to describe physical locations, as in a city's central business district, or abstract concepts, such as a company's centralized decision-making process. In both cases, centrally implies a concentration of power or influence. This concentration can increase efficiency and streamline processes, but it may also lead to a lack of diversity and flexibility. Overall, centrally suggests a focus on a core element or entity within a larger structure or system.